It's good to be able to walk around the forest and look for ideas that you could implement on your model railroad. How awesome would it be if we could just shrink one of these trees out here and put it on the layout? Hey all, and welcome back to another scenery tutorial. My name is Luke, and in this guide I'll step you through making some very realistic and very cheap pine trees. You can achieve a lot of variation using this method and make many different species of pine. So let's not waste any more time and jump into the tutorial. The natural material I'm using is called foxtail fern. It can be purchased on eBay and is available from most nurseries, and it also posts worldwide. So depending on your country's quarantine regulations, you should be able to get it quite easily. It does a great job for modelling pine trees and grows quite fast. I look for the stems that are reasonably straight and use those to trim off for the pine trees. Not all of the trim stems will be straight, so I hang them with a small weight attached to the bottom to help straighten them as they dry. You'll probably need a couple of months to let them dry. If you're interested in making a drying rack just like the one you see here, check out bouldercreekrailroad.com and I'll put up the plans available there for download. Once they are completely dry, the small leaves should easily brush off and you'll be left with a nice branch structure for your pine tree. I pick off any odd looking branches and leaves, and I also pull up some branches near the bottom to expose the trunk. Scenics conifer coarse turf for the main leaf structure, and the weeds fine turf for the highlight. Super 77, however the glue goes on a lot thicker as you can see here. The branches end up looking a little opaque and frosty. Sally's Quick Grip goes on a lot finer and is barely noticeable, not to mention cheaper, so for me it's the clear winner. As for applying the coarse turf, depending on what coverage you want over the pine tree, spread it out ready to be applied. For this tree I want the top and bottom to be lightly covered with the majority of leaves to be on the middle of the tree. A light spray of the glue is all that's needed. I have found applying the leaves by slowly rolling the tree over the coarse turf like this helps avoid the turf getting onto the trunk where it Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the build. I try to post as many videos as I can, so if you want to stay up to date with my latest releases, please subscribe. I have plenty more videos and ideas on the way. In the meantime, feel free to check out my channel and see if there's any other videos there that you might like. Cheers and thanks for watching.